Buenos días, chicos y chicas. Soy Señorita O'Brien reporting in for day 32 of your new contingency plan packet. We are on the bottom row where it says GUSTAR and La Comida. We are on the box second from the left where it says day 32, and it says Te gusta. So you're going to read the descriptions of the popular Spanish meals. You're going to indicate if you would like or dislike the meal in Spanish. All right. Your assignment is going to look like this on Google Classroom. It is just a Google form. You have nothing else to complete. Now your directions here read the descriptions of popular Spanish meals below. See if you can figure out what the ingredients are in English. Write a complete sentence for each that says if you would like or dislike the meal, right? So this example that I gave you says a quesadilla, for those of you that are familiar, is mostly made up of cheese and tortillas, right? So the ingredients are el queso and la tortilla. There are two ways that you can answer this question. You would either say, no me gusta la quesadilla, if you are not a fan of cheese or are lactose intolerant, or if you love cheese and you love quesadillas, you would get rid of this no and start the sentence by saying, me gusta la quesadilla, but you would capitalize the M. Okay, please make sure you are writing in a complete sentence in Spanish. Okay, I'm looking to make sure that you can use this format correctly. All right, so don't just tell me what the ingredients are. I do not know, right? I know what they are, but I don't want to know what they are for this assignment. I want to know if you're going to like them or not like them. So you have 4 different Spanish meals. You have arroz a la cubana, which has el arroz, los huevos, and la salsa. You have el sancocho, which is una sopa de papas, el maíz, las zanahorias, and el pollo. Number 3, you have el pique macho, tomates, los huevos, las papas fritas, la mayonesa, y el ketchup. And your last meal, you have el elote, el maíz, la mayonesa, and el queso as its ingredients. Again, you're given the L so that you can tell me no me gusta el, and then whatever thing it is. All right. Once you press next, it's going to show you a picture of what all of these meals look like. So once you say on this first thing, I like or I don't like them, you're going to see a picture, and then you're going to see if you change your mind based on the picture. All right, I'm curious to see how many people change their mind after they see the pictures of the actual foods themselves. Okay, if you have any questions, please come ready to write and go over how to use me gusta in Spanish. I'll see you guys at our Google Meet in a little bit. Nos vemos.